everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the new pro effect in CapCut. And here I'm gonna show you how you can add a hand-drawn body outline to an object in CapCut. So I think this effect will fit into your dancing video to make it looks more interesting, and here's how to do that. So first, after you import your clips, just go to effects and here go to the body effects and click on the frame. And in here you can see there will be lots of options, but in this case I'm going to show you the hand-drawn body outline. So here click on the hand-drawn body outline and it will be added to your clips like this. I think it's kind of cute and I like this. And you can also adjust the size of the outline and also the color like this. You can change it into your favorite color, I think, but I'm going to just go with white. And you can also adjust the range like this. You can make it more fits into the body or like have more space like this. And when you're done, just click on a check icon and then adjust the duration so that it fits with the whole video, and after that it looks like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.